Hey guys, hi and welcome to the video. My name is Saumil Shah. In this video, I would like to teach you an option strategy that can give you easily $80 a week with this strategy. As you can see, that's a 50% return on your investment. And I would like to teach you about this strategy. So as you can see, I have done this strategy and I've been making consistent $40, $50 every single week. So how does this strategy work? What is this called? This strategy right here is called call credit spread. This is essentially a bear strategy. Now, the way this works is, first of all, let me show you some of the things that I would like to show you, and then I would talk a little bit about this strategy. So for example, I picked up a stock. I usually pick up ETF because they are not that volatile and it does not fluctuate more. So I said, what's the price change of TQQQ in a week? How much is the fluctuation of the price? So I wrote some Python code and I took a mean. So I resampled the data set. As you can see, after doing the resampling by week, then I took a mean of the entire week. So I know that, okay, from this, I know it actually moves about $2.50. And then you have to basically multiply by, you have to take double of that. So assume that it moves, max it can move is $4, right? So now I have an idea in a month, how much does that move? Okay, $10. Okay. So after doing your research, okay, so $2 and I'm taking $4. Now, how do I play this strategy and how do I make income out of it? Well, it's actually easy. So as you can see, I have done it. I've been making consistent income. So now it's 134, right? So let's pick up $2. It moves $2. So 134, 135, 136. You double it. So you basically take $4, right? So 134, you can pick up 139. Let's pick up 140. So I know by the end of the week, it's not going to go 140. I mean, the probability is extremely low that it's gonna go 140, right? So then you want to do trade option. Go to the coming week. That's August 14. Then you want to basically click on selling a call, and you want to pick up a strike 140, and then you want to say buy call is above the sell call. When you do that, it says call credit spread. Now let me explain you. This is a bear strategy. Now what does that mean? So when you say one contract, so now you can see you have to put down a collateral of $100. So that means by the end of the week, this stock should not reach that band. For example, the band is 140 and 141. So it's highly unlikely that this stock is gonna go that high by the end of the week. So basically, I'm picking up a band, right? And I picked up my band and I said, okay, it's not gonna go there. I have to put down 100. I'm risking my $100 and to earn a $16 profit, as you can see. But as the time goes, as the expiry comes nearby, the value would decay and you would win. So if you see here, if I can show you, so if you can see here, by the end, even if it goes to 139, still you will make $15. That's a extremely easy way to make a good income, right? So as you can see, it's easy way to make steady income, right? But now, as you can see, if you buy 10, it's like $140, right? As I said, extremely easy way to make consistent income, and it's extremely safe as well because you're picking up a strike much higher, and the probability that the stock will go that high in a 1 week is low. Yeah, if you're, based on the math and stat, it's extremely low, right? So this is called call credit spread, and you can try this out. Try it out with one contract and see how it works. Once you understand, then you can buy more and more contract. I hope this video is useful. This is the way you can make steady income every single week, basically $40, $50 every single week for your grocery or your whatever you want to do, right? It's steady income, right? At least you won't lose money because when you go for naked calls and puts, you might lose money. This way you won't lose money. Hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial and strategy. If you did, let me know in the comment section below and I would make more tutorials for you on this. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling, keep learning. See you guys in the next upcoming videos. Safe, extremely safe. This is extremely safe on consistent gains basically. With that being said, thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the upcoming next tutorial.